Hey, we're going to open up some lorcana this time. Whoa. Alright, no card trick here. Alright, got our basic commons. Hero, you know where that's from. Canine Crunchers, you remember that. Cybug, nobody knows. Yzma, kitten. Robin Hood, cool, classic. Hey Hey, he's a crowd favorite. Penny, cool. Miley Cyrus. Amethyst Coil. Peg. Whoa, look at that. Legendary. Oh, Return of Hercules. It's kind of cool, I guess. Alright, last card. Or second to last card. Another legendary. Scrooge McDuck, no way. Alright, we got a holo for the last one. Uncommon. Hey, it's pretty cool though. Hey, catch you next time, okay?